If you're not laughing, who is laughing now? I've been wondering if we start sinking, could we stand our ground? And through everything we've learned, we finally come to terms. We are the outsiders.
Welcome to Middle Ground. We deliver the scoop on all the HCMS happenings.
The word of the day is fleer. Fleer is a noun meaning a word or look of derision or mockery.
As in when Adam suggested that the firm's partners do the work for free, he half expected to be hit with a collective fleer, but the others readily agreed.
Now here are your announcements.
Academic team tryouts for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders will be held Thursday, September 11th, after school until 4:30.
Students should report to Miss Thornsberry's room at 310 Bell. More information about tryouts can be picked up outside of Miss Criswell's room or outside the front office.
Next FFA meeting will be this Wednesday, September 10th. Interested in joining FFA this year? Pick up a membership form located on the bulletin board in the 8th grade hallway. They will accept new members all year long, but join early so you won't miss any of the events.
Every Friday in September from 4 to 6 p.m., there are open lanes at Galactic Alley for bowling for any student interested in trying out for the bowling team. The cost is $5 for 3 games. In sports action, Phillies basketball is at Paris Meadows Thursday. There will be 7th and 8th grade games beginning at 5 p.m. The Colts football team are home again Thursday at Ingalls Stadium, beginning at 6 p.m.
Thursday's breakfast is a choice of sausage, mini biscuit, and hash brown stars, yogurt box, Pop-Tart, or muffin, cereal, fruit bowl, and juice.
For lunch Thursday, we have a choice of barbecue chicken, hot dog, or whole grain bun, chef or popcorn chicken salad, box or yogurt box, broccoli with cheese, seasoned potato wedges, fruit bowl, or orange cup.
Friday's breakfast is a choice of mini cinnamon roll, yogurt box, Pop-Tart, or muffin, cereal, fruit bowl, and juice.
For lunch Friday, we have a choice of pizza or fish fillet on whole grain bun, or chef or popcorn chicken salad box, or yogurt box, steamed corn, tossed salad with dressing, fruit bowl with banana, baked apples.
Scratch a dog and you'll find a permanent job. Thanks. That's by journalist Franklin P. Jones.
And that's it for now. From all of us at Middle Ground, have a great day.